guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Faith. If you are new here, welcome. So today I'm talking about your vagina, things you should not put in your vagina no matter what. The vagina, you know, is very delicate and sensitive. It's a very sensitive part of the body, so it should be handled with care. You should not just stick anything you see inside your vagina. Things you should not put in your vagina. The first one is fruits and vegetables, like the cucumber, the carrots, and the banana. If you put them in your vagina, this can cause little tears in your vagina, and that can serve as an entrance for microbes. Okay, so they can introduce microbes into the vagina, and they can also cause bacteria and yeast infection. You know, when you put these things in the vagina, they can upset the normal pH, the normal balance of bacteria in the vagina, and that can cause serious problems. Okay, don't apply chemical products like the douches, the spray, intimate spray, and vagina wipes, and even soap. So some of these products contains chemical that can dry out the vagina and cause irritation. You know, the vagina is self-cleansing, so doing all these things is really unnecessary. Okay, so just leave the vagina there. If you feel the need to clean it, use water or a mild soap so as not to cause problems to yourself. Okay, do not put acid material in your vagina. Like, why should you even do that? Like, I'm still wondering. Don't. Okay, because you don't even know where these acid materials have been, like the rolling stick, is that what it's called? Even some spatulas, like people do use them. Okay, so you don't know where these things have been, you don't know who have touched them, and you will still cook with them. Like, please don't. Okay, so the next one is flavored lubricants and oil based lubricants. Flavored lubes contain sugar, which can cause the growth of yeast, the overgrowth of yeast, and that can cause yeast infection. Even if it's sugar free, you should know the artificial flavor that's in it can cause irritation in the vagina. And oil based lubricants can cause latex condom to break, and that can put you at risk of contacting an STI or pregnancy. Okay, so don't use oil based lubricant, don't put them in your vagina, and I would suggest to use either silicone based or water based. Food of any kind, like chocolate syrup, whipped cream, ice cream, or toppings, don't put them in your vagina. They contain sugar, so you know, when sugar is too much in your vagina, this can cause the overgrowth of yeast, and that can lead to what? Yeast infection. Putting this stuff in your vagina sounds cool, right? But don't. Okay, this can cause serious problems for you. Okay,